Stop building hustles that own your time. If your income stops the moment you stop working, you don't have a business, you have a job with a different boss. Now, I'm doing wood carving for the past 40 years. But if I put my chisel down or I stop training people, there's no income. I simply have a job with a different boss. But I hit 122 consecutive months of recurring income. I did it without selling products, managing stock, or needing any special creative or any other talent. Today I'm showing you how to pass the 10-year test using a system anyone can follow. But most people who know me know that I love my wood carving and my stained glass. But here's the truth. You do not need to be an artist to succeed in this business. In fact, the reason I can spend hours in my studio creating art is because I built a system that does not require me to be creative every day. In my professional life, I was a PR and marketing manager. I learned that success is not about talent, it's about structure. But I'm 73 years old. I don't want to be the engine of any business anymore. I want to be the architect. And in DuPont, the system is the engine. And it's a system designed for anyone, busy or not busy, who can follow a simple blueprint. But let me introduce myself to those who don't know me yet. My name is Lynette Badenhorst. I'm from Vanderbijlpark, South Africa, and I help entrepreneurs, business owners, and professionals create recurring income without selling a thing, so that they can live debt-free and stress-free and can start working on their bucket lists. But you might be wondering now, Lynette, what does my daily work actually look like when I'm running my own online business like you are doing? It's simpler than you think. This asset-based model, you only have two things to do, two tasks. One, connect South Africans to a legal and approved system. This is where you get to be creative. You find the ways that work for you to promote your own business. And as we see every day, social media is the perfect medium to do exactly that. Secondly, teach your clients to do the same thing. You don't have to be a professional trainer or a marketing guru. You simply point them towards the free training already waiting for them on the free DuPont app. You don't need a website. You don't need an automated email system. And you definitely don't need complicated and expensive CRM systems. Now, CRM stands for Customer Relations Manager Systems. It's nice to have them, but they are extremely expensive because you pay in dollars for them. And compare the dollar to a rand, and it's a lot of money. You also don't need the background in PR or marketing that I had, or any qualifications or skills to make the system work for you. You just need to be able to follow a path that has already been cleared for you. That's it. You connect and you point. This is the most affordable, simplest business in the world because the system does the heavy lifting for you. And here's the best part. There are no additional costs involved except your product payment. Our CEO, Brendan Benfield, always says, if you can press play on your phone or you can send a WhatsApp message, you are qualified to build your own income. And that is exactly how it is. DuPont is the most affordable, simplest business in the world. And I will challenge anybody to prove me wrong. I'm doing it for 10 years and it truly changed my life. Most other online companies require you to pay for extra services to expand your own business. But in Dewpoint, it is all inclusive. It doesn't matter if you start as a rank 1 or a rank 11, you still pay your one product. There's no additional costs. But this brings us to the two most unique traits that set Dewpoint apart. The first one is that you do not sell any products yourself. That is unique and people think it's impossible. But they are brilliant. They are using the marketing costs on the products to pay their own customers. So every wealth engineer, that is how Dewpoint customers are called, are using a product, and the marketing costs linked to those products, that is the money that we are getting paid with. It's brilliant. Therefore, you simply use an affordable product of your choice to use the system. Every Dewpoint client, as I said, they are called wealth engineers, get the legal rights to share information about this unique system, creating an income in doing so. We are getting paid a lead fee for creating that lead. Secondly, everything is free. All the training, the marketing materials, everything you use to build your business are for free, including a professional website that contains all the details about the system, all the details about the products, and testimonials, and all the world-class training that's available. You don't need to build your own website. You don't need to get an automated email system, and you don't need complicated, expensive CRM systems. The company has already provided and created all the tools so that you can focus on building your asset and your income. But your product payment does not just buy you a business and give you the product benefits you choose. It also gives you 3 daily services on top of your product benefits for free. You are getting protected while you build your asset. There's no hidden fees, no complicated overhead, just a legal approved system that works for 10 plus years. People of all walks of life are using the system to generate income. Why not you? We use products we already need, like primary health care or funeral cover or any other product you like, and we use them as the foundation for our wealth. I reach rank 11 by simply repeating those 2 tasks over and over. It's about working once and getting paid forever, instead of working forever and getting paid once. But here's a nice gift for you. I've spent months documenting exactly how I've managed 122 months track record. I'm putting it all into the asset-based business blueprint. This guide shows you how to use attraction marketing so people come to you asking about the system and not the other way around. This blueprint is almost finished and it's going to my priority list first. Remember, if you can send a WhatsApp, you can do this. And if you want the roadmap I used to hit 10 years of financial stability, do this right now. Comment the word asset and I'll send it to you for free. But think about this. 122 months consecutive of payments. This isn't art, it's asset-based income. It didn't matter if I was carving wood, traveling to see my children abroad, or just resting. These payments arrive every single month over the past 10 years. There's zero risk. You aren't risking your savings to start. You just use a product and you get the product benefit. Even if you do nothing, you still enjoy the product benefits and the 3 daily services. But we're not here to do nothing. We are here to make money. Next, the rewards. We are incentivized with cash bonuses, cars and holidays to build our own income. It's unheard of. When you make money, the company make money too. And that's why they put everything in to help you to be as successful as you can be. They have a vested interest in helping you succeed. Look at this track record. 122 consecutive months of income. That is 10 years of stability that hasn't failed me once. But beyond the money, let's talk about professional integrity. We work within a registered financial service provider. Their FSP number is 50318. This business is legal and licensed. We operate under strict regulations. And it's approved. We are monitored by all the financial regulators protecting the South African consumer. That gives me peace of mind. And it's proven. The system has been running successfully for over 10 years. It's not hype. It's a licensed system designed to build wealth with logic. This is why I can stand here at 73 years old and tell you with full confidence, this is an asset that is built on solid ground. There's no selling. I don't sell you a product. I show you a business model and you make the decision. I never try to convince people. I share the information and they need to make the decision for themselves, whether they want to make money or not. It's totally up to them. My job is to share the information. That's it. But now you might be wondering, Lynette, how does the money actually move? It starts with a service you already need, like funeral cover or perhaps a tax-free investment. I chose a tax-free investment because I love the fact that I can save money and make money. So that's my choice, but there's other choices. But here is the part that makes this business model so affordable. Every DuPont product includes 3 daily services for free. First is Medical. You get 24-hour access to qualified medical doctors over the phone for advice when your family needs it most. Secondly, legal access. You have professional legal experts available to guide you through contracts or legal disputes or anything where you need a lawyer. And the third is Road Assist. You have peace of mind on the road 24/7 if an emergency at the roadside happens. Even emergency at home, they will come and help you. By moving an expense you already have into the DuPont system, you aren't just buying a service, you are owning the rights to a business. There are no additional costs involved except that product payment. You only have 2 tasks. Connect South African to this legal and approved system and teach your channel members to do the same by pointing them to the free training on the DuPont app. By moving that monthly expenses into the DuPont system, you aren't just buying a service, you are owning the rights to a business. We built what we call a qualified channel. I reach rank 11 by simply showing others how to protect their families and build wealth at the same time. It's about working once and getting paid forever. Now, I've documented the exact strategy I used to reach the 10-year milestone, and I'm putting it all into the asset-based business blueprint. This guide shows you how to use attraction marketing so that the right people come to you. You don't need to be an artist. You don't need to be a marketing genius. You just need this blueprint. If you want to see the roadmap I used to hit 122 months of income, do this now. Comment the word asset right now. And I will send this blueprint for you for free when it's ready. The blueprint is almost finished, and I'm building a priority list for my Wealth Mastery community and those of you watching today. Type asset into the comments and I'll make sure you get the link the second I hit publish. We've covered a lot today. We talked about passing the 10-year test and moving away from the hustle to become an architect of your own asset-based income. Remember, this is the simplest business in the world. The simplicity, if you can send a WhatsApp or press play on a video, you are qualified. The task, connect South Africans to a legal system and point them to the free training on the app. The reward, while enjoying your product benefits, you can grow a monthly income and enjoy 3 daily services, medical, legal access, and road and home assist for free. The incentives, you are building an income that offers, on top of your monthly income, cash bonuses, cars, and holidays. The integrity, no website or expensive CRM systems are required, just a commitment to build wealth with integrity. If you want to see the full roadmap, don't forget to comment asset right now to join the priority list for my upcoming asset-based business blueprint. But your journey doesn't end here. For more deep dives into wealth mastery and logic-based marketing, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lynette's Wealth Mastery channel. Visit my website and my blog for the latest strategies as I build my business on my website. Yes, I've got a website, but it's not a necessity. I've got mine since 2009 and I just keep it there. But I like to place all my articles on my website so you can watch them there. But love, like, and follow me right here on this platform to stay connected every single day. Now, at 73 years young, I'm proof that it is never too late to stop working for money and start building an asset that works for you. You have the tools, you have the system, and now you have the invitation. Don't let another month go by just getting by. Let's build something that stands the test of time. I'm Lynette Barnard, your strategic wealth mentor. Have a beautiful, blessed, and freedom-filled Friday. I'll see you in the inbox. Bye for now.